Angel Obedoza Gatayan Pablo.
Good afternoon, boss. My question is, how can you handle your work and your business? Sorry. How do you handle your business and your work as a professional volleyball player? Paano mo siya nababalance?
Hello? Ano po? Time management. So, schedule ko po yung kailangan kong gawin, tapos pag may time magpahinga. Pero priority ko talaga is yung career ko po sa volleyball. So, time management lang, tsaka know your priorities. Thank you.
Thank you so much po.
Thank you po.
Let's go! So, ganun din po, tao, bagay, hayop. Oo, hindi pwede po. Ang ating category ay... Three minutes and... Wait. Go!
Tao?
Pwede.
Pangalan ng tao?
Hindi.
Pangalan, artista, volleyball player.
Pwede.
Nasa Choco Mucho.